Well, today marks the day that we're leaving Nicaragua, but it's not a permanent trip, it's only temporary. We just called an Uber here in Managua, Nicaragua, and we're about to head to the airport to catch a flight over to the States. We're gonna fill you in why we're leaving Nicaragua and what plans we have up next for the channel here. I think that is my Uber right there, coming in hot. Are you ready to head out, Elliot? Are you gonna miss Nicaragua, huh? Yeah? Elliot's been a little bit sick here, so we've been giving him medicine, but he's looking like he's doing a little bit better. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Courtney?
So stressed.
You're stressed? Why are you stressed?
Like, you think afternoon flights are better because you get more time, but it's actually more stressful because it's just more time to actually throw things around and get more confused. I don't know.
So you rather travel in the early morning?
Yeah, because Elliot, like, you just wake him up and then go, and then he figures it out. But right now, he's just totally changed his schedule. He's tired, but we want him to wait to sleep. He woke up earlier than expected. He's going through a tantrum.
Yeah, it's been rough. Usually we travel very early, but today it is 1 p.m. right now, so we're sort of off our schedule. Elliot's having a little bit of a rough go. And to top it off, we have a 4-hour layover in Houston. So it's gonna be a very long travel vlog here all the way to California. So we're heading up to the Bay Area, San Francisco, California. All right, we just checked into United. Everything is good. Now we just gotta go through customs and then we gotta wait to catch that plane. So we are officially in the waiting area here in the Managua airport. We had to pay for an extra visa because we overstayed our 90-day visa here in Nicaragua. So it was an extra $16, which is not bad. And now we're gonna wait here and catch our flight pretty soon. Elliot still has not taken his nap. He is running around like a wild maniac. It's been pretty tough, to be honest, but we're about to catch his flight to Houston. We can't take Elliot anywhere. He found a pet puppy and now he wants this pet puppy. Oh, we can't buy him that. We literally buy him every stuffed animal we see.
No to everything we want.
This is like the worst section to have a kid in, right? We just cleared through custom. We are at the Houston airport now, just waiting. And we bought some food here. What do you think of the food so far, Courtney?
I will tell you right now, I feel like I'm in jam. No, I'm just kidding. It's pretty. It's not the worst airport food, but it literally is not the best. I'm starving, so I'm eating this like it's so yummy.
We are definitely missing food from Nicaragua right now. I miss my rice and beans. We're gonna chow down and go find an area to relax with Elliot. Officially back in the States. And look, we're even wearing some winter weather here. How do you feel about being back in the States here?
It's freezing, you guys.
Yeah.
No, last week was nice, but now it's like, oh my gosh, I can't handle 72 degrees.
I know, it's just getting pretty cold out here. But first order of business, we're gonna get some coffee. Then we're gonna be filling you in, you guys, on our trip on the airplane with Elliot and after we got here. And then a couple of plans here for the channel. But yeah, we're back for a bit.
Yay! Watch us with me.
Hello, how you doing? Thank you very much. Well, we got our coffee. Courtney's not having coffee today. She is being a coffee hater.
No, I'm not. I had tea and I just...
Yeah, she had a lot of tea in the morning, so.
I'll get coffee.
Ooh, that is yummy. Straight coffee from Africa here. Not Nicaragua, but this will do. Africa does have some delicious coffee. So now it's time to fill you in on why we're here in the States. And we got some exciting news.
We just finished our harvest season at the end of March. And now we're very excited because we just got a phone call that our coffee just arrived.
This is perfect because we worked so hard to harvest the coffee in Nicaragua and then we worked with an exporter to get it out of Nicaragua, and now it's officially here in the States. So what we're gonna be doing in this channel is we're gonna take you behind the scenes while we're here, show you how we get our coffee from Nicaragua to here, and how we get it roasted and shipped to your home. So it's gonna be a super cool behind the scenes. We also have some other ideas we wanna do in San Francisco. Wanna tell them about that a little bit?
Yeah, we want to see if we can go find some Nicaraguan coffee. So stay tuned and come along with us.
So it's gonna be an exploration video. We're gonna hit the city to see what coffee shops are carrying the coffee from Nicaragua, and also what other cool hidden gems you can find there. So this was a quick update on our channel. It was a short video. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas of videos you want to see while we're here, let us know below. But afterwards, we're heading back to Nicaragua and we'll continue the regular content in Nicaragua. Cheers, like and subscribe. It is your coffee familia. Hasta luego.